What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about what you have done in this year, that is 2019 currently right now, but in future what is going to be happening in 2020 is about the future. So what you have done is going to be given to you in 2019. It is given by TubeBuddy itself. If you have installed it, you can go and check out the details about your channel, how your channel has been grown. When it comes to my channel, I have not been so active in 2019, so I don't think something is grown. But let's see what has been happening in 2019. So if you click on TubeBuddy, you have a message that is going to say YouTube year in review. So they give you the option that you can go and check that out, and it's free. So I have copied the link and I'm going to go and paste it in my description if you want to go and see about your year. So I'm just going to go and hit on enter year in review. So there you go. It shows that. Do you have any other channel? No, I have only one channel, that is ZealPlex. So I'm going to go and click on that and add that to my year in review list. So as soon as I click on it is going to go and start making the suggestion that what has gone, and I'm going to go and hit on enter. First, let's go back. That is 1st January. Yes. So it gives me subscriber, views and uploads. Hey, not bad. So top third is 208 with bad views. Number 1 is 527 views. So it gives me the details about my subscription, views and all. So here's a toast of 2020. And there you go. You can go and copy and share it on your Facebook, Twitter and so on and so forth. You can go and install TubeBuddy for free, and I got the details about that. So this was a thing which you can go and find out, and you can go and get the details about your channel. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next year in the next video. See you guys next time. My name is Nazir and I'm signing off.